एमएम एरिना मेगा स्टोर आणि गोमंतकाच्या जोडपालवान गोड पदार्थ तयार करपाची सर्त आयोजित केल्ली। ही सर्त मेळशे जाली। ह्या सर्तीन एकूण 49 बायलांनी वांटो घेतिल्लो। हातून आशा सुतारियान पयले इनाम जोडले, जाल्यार ब्रिंदा तेलीन दुसरे, अर्चना पांड्यान तिसरे इनाम फावो जाले। ह्या सर्तीचे परीक्षण रोहन परीश, अमिता सलत्री आणि चारिका शिरोडकर हांणी केल्ले। ह्या वेळार एमएम एरिना सरवेवस्थापक हरी कौल हाजीर आशिल्ले। इष्टांनो, तुम्ही सध्या पळयतात ते सुंदर आणि तोंडान उदीक हाडपा सारखे जिनस आणि पळयल्यारूच गोड असे जिनस दिसतात। म्हळ्यार हे पळयात आडसारान म्हाका दिसता कितें तरी पदार्थ केला। सुंदर अशें म्हणजे इतल्या सुंदर पद्दतीन ते सादरीकरण केला, तेजे इतल्या सुंदर पद्दतीन ते थंयसर दवरला। म्हळ्यार पळयतल्याक पळोवनूच म्हाका दिसता खावपाची रूच येतली तोंडाक।
I'm happy to see the kind of participation which is there on Sunday, and I see that this is our kind of, we encourage the people, the talent and the people who the talent, we are encouraging the talent among the people.
अशें कॉम्पिटिशन करतकीर हे अशें हेल्प जाता की जांकां रांदपाक येना ती शिकतात आनी तातूंत इंट्रस्ट घेतात। एंड एज आय अर्लियर की जर बायल सुगरण आसली, पाककला तज्ञ आसली, जाल्यार ती खऱ्या अर्थान सगळे करकऱ्याचें आरोग्य बरें दवरपाक शकता।
So I believe this is the fifth competition that they've had in the fifth year of the competition, and I've seen that there's a lot of innovation done over here. My main criterion was true to its roots. Whatever desserts were being, I was looking at creativity. I was looking, of course, the taste is going to be there, but I was looking at what is going, so that was my criterion, and I'm very, very enlightened and happy to see that CMM is taking such a positive initiation and such a positive step towards having the homemakers come out in the open.